Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to toggle the touchpad on ACER Aspire 3. Here is the laptop. I'm gonna show you the touchpad as well as the screen here and the keyboard, because we're gonna use the keyboard in order for this to work. So now, as you can see here, I'm using the touchpad to move the cursor and it works. And to disable it, just click on F7. Now you can see that the touchpad is off. If this didn't work, then you should try pressing on Fn, then F7, because sometimes it depends on your configuration. The top keys may be either by default using the symbols right here, or the actual F1, F2, F3 keys. And to use the other option, which is not set as default, then you should press and hold on the Fn key on your keyboard. Then with it, press on F7. But in my case, it works just with pressing it without the Fn key. You can see I can toggle it just like that. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.